Davis and the Rosh Hashanah story. So what was the question? This room is very dramatic.
The question was, can I have a drink of water?
Now, what was the question you wanted me to ask you?
Oh, what's going on right now?
What's going on right now?
Well, first I had a tantrum, but other than that, it's Random PJ Day.
Random
See, I
PJ
have-
Day.
Oh, it's also Rosh Hashanah, don't forget that.
Yeah, I gotta get it so the light's not in the
Hello
way.
Kitty, and
Yeah.
then we have Poodles.
Poodles. Okay.
Say goodnight, Gracie.
Good night, Gracie. What?
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Do you have anything else clever to say before we conclude?
Good night.
Good night.